Looking for the best sewing machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Brother XR9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. What we love, even after testing multiple different machines, I continue to reach for this Brother machine for most of my at-home sewing projects. This model combines the simplicity of a beginner machine with excellent features like a clear LCD screen, needle up/down, and speed control. It includes a wide table to support bigger quilting and sewing projects. Costing under $250, this sewing machine is an excellent value. It sewed through a variety of different fabrics with ease, including denim and upholstery fabric. It boasts an intuitive automatic needle threader too. In our review, the included manual was easy to follow with clear instructions. This machine does offer decorative stitches, but they are very small because it doesn't have. Number 4. Janome 001 Lovely Easy-to-Use Sewing Machine. What we love, when shopping for an affordable sewing machine, it can be tempting to buy a very low-cost machine, but these likely won't last through multiple projects. Janome produces high-quality machines, and this simple model starts at just $130, and it's designed to last for years. It features a solid metal internal frame, designed to handle a variety of different fabrics. Many affordable machines do not use such a durable internal mechanism. We've tested different Janome models, but not yet this affordable one. The machine has simple controls, great for a beginner sewer. It has a front-loading bobbin, which is more traditional, but a bit more challenging to master if you've never used it before. It has a removable free arm attachment, and a decent amount of throat space for a compact machine. Plus, this machine is sold in a variety of bright shades too, making it a fun gift. Number 3. Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. What we love, beginners should choose a simple machine that can grow with them to larger projects. The Brother CS7000X is just that. Sewing pros found it easy to change the presser feed and thread the machine, thanks to the simple drop-in bobbin design. The adjustable speed is a helpful feature for beginners, preventing you from sewing too fast and losing control. It also has a slower sewing speed overall. It sewed well through a range of materials with minimal inaccuracies, but it wasn't as successful with polyester satin materials. It offers 70 stitches with a range of utility and decorative options, and 7 buttonhole applications. This machine comes with 10 different presser feet to suit a range of projects. Testers noted that the thread holder looks short, but it is actually adjustable. This model is similar to our best overall, but a bit simpler, making it great for sewing novices. Number 2. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing Machine. What we love, this sewing and quilting machine features manual speed controls for those who have difficulty keeping consistent and even pressure when using a traditional pedal. And if you don't like pedals at all, the start-stop function allows you to sew without using the foot control. It has over 600 built-in stitch applications including basic and decorative ones, and with each new stitch you select, the tension is automatically adjusted. During testing of a similar Singer model, using the automatic buttonhole function was a breeze. Plus, this machine has a needle up/down button, making it easy to pivot the fabric at the corners of quilting squares. We like that it has 13 different style options programmed into the machine. Just select which style you prefer on the LCD screen with the tap of a button. We were impressed with how easy it was to change the presser foot with the quick snap design. The automatic needle threader is also simple and easy to use. It includes a large extension table to support bigger quilting projects with bright built-in lighting to see your work clearly. Some online reviewers noted that they had difficulty repairing this machine. Number 1. Bernette B79 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. What we love, if you want to treat yourself to a top-of-the-line model, opt for a luxury sewing machine that can withstand constant use and offers excellent features for an expert sewer. The Bernette brand is synonymous with high quality, and its B79 model offers embroidery, quilting, and standard sewing capabilities. We were blown away by the innovative features like automatic thread cutting, a thread tie-off option, no back stitching necessary, and the ability to draw your own stitches on the 5-inch touchscreen with the included stylus. With a massive library of 500 stitches and 17 buttonhole options, this machine can create your own combinations by remembering your exact stitch specifications for particular fabrics in its short and long-term memory. It's sewed through all types of fabrics with ease, including silk chiffon, polyester satin, and wool. Although it is a pricey pick, it's one of the most affordable Bernette models available.